welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with today's video. We are going to do the back testing for OTM. Let's take Nifty. So before that I have to explain you one concept. So today it's called as double decay. Why? Because see, 14th we had holiday, 10th we had holiday, so 18th as well we are going to get holiday. So whenever it is holiday, the after date and the before date, always remember these two dates will have double decay. Also we had news here. Because of the news, the IV has significantly improved. It went from 14 to 22. So if IV increases, the premium will also increase for the strike price. That's why you see it was a very good decay on 9th. 11th it was okayish decay, but on 15th today we could see a very nice decay. So that one I will explain you in the coming chart. So why I am telling you that is also watch for 17th and 21st, which is going to have the same level of decay. Okay, now I'll get back to the video. We'll take option chain. So Nifty open was 350. So you see here 350 was the open, and then you see it was almost 200 points decay for the PE rating here, which is positive. Okay, and then here also CE, you see it's almost very good profitable trade for CE rating as well. Okay, why? Because Nifty actually had a gap up and then it just went sideways. Basically it was inside the first candle, so this is called as the inside candle pattern. Okay, we'll also check for next expiry, and then you see here, so basically 350, and see almost how much 200 points decay is observed. So we'll move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 52,300. So Bank Nifty was also sideways. So this was the open, and then see almost 600 to 700 points decay in the OTM. I'm not talking about the straddle, but decay itself in the OTM it is very high. Okay, so here it is negative, though you see when you compare both, we are always talking about hedging. So when you do hedging, you will concentrate in both. Okay, so Bank Nifty also same, though it had the higher high combination, but it was almost in the range. Okay, the gap up has already pulled off the good positions of the retailers, so all the SL has been hard, so that's why new positions were been built. So Midcap and Finnifty is your homework. Okay, now we would just move on to the important part. So we will check the strikes closer, and we'll get the idea of the OI. Okay, so here we are only going to check the OTM. So OTM, you see here it is 6 and here it is 5. So this is also indication of sideways. Tomorrow it can be sideways unless until it is going to break these levels. Okay, now we'll go and check for Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty, and when you check OTM, you see this side is also 1.1, here also 1.1, so indicating a sideways. Okay, though this call buying might have profit booking tomorrow, which will drag the market in the downside. Okay, Finnifty and Midcap Nifty is your homework. So I guess I have covered pretty much everything. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.